Alright, it's playtime in Winter Storm Blizzard 11. Duke and Ellie playing in the snow.
Stanton is 10 months old.
Stanton is 10, almost 11 months old. Be 11 months old in 8 days. It's his first major snow.
And the second one's on the way.
Watch how deep this is as I put my foot in the snow. Oh, you couldn't see it. Look how far down that goes. Oh my gosh. Yay, Stanton! Yay! We love the snow. The puppies love the snow. Look at them playing. Look at them playing. Look at Duke play. Look at Ellie play.
Look at Elle's face. She's been eating it all day.
Yeah. Ella's face is white because she loves to eat the snow. She doesn't even care if it's yellow. She'll probably still eat it. Ellie! Oh my goodness.
It really doesn't feel that cold out here. It's because the wind's not blowing.
Duke and Ella are playing Come Get Me in the snow. There she goes. Across the road, through the neighbor's yard, in the backyard. There they go. There's our cute little snowed on house. Let's look at the depth of the snow up close here. Look how high it's piled on this tire. There's the top of the tire where my hand went in. That's a good 7 inches of snow sitting on top of that tire. Wow. Ella's eating the snow. Let's get a good look at her chomping down. There she goes. Chomping away.
Ellie.